Ibig sabihin, may nakabalot pala dyan. Ito pa yung dalawang tubo sa loob. Tapos nalansan.
Morning, Mr. President. Welcome. Good morning. Thank you, Roman. Yeah.
Today's turnover of the Caliraya Botocan Kalayaan Hydroelectric Power Plant marks a deliberate step toward an energy system that is steadier in operation, smarter in design, and ready for the future that we are building. The CBK HEPP is one of the largest hydropower complexes in Luzon, with an overall capacity of 797 megawatts, composed of 3 distinct but complementary facilities, each one serving a clear and practical purpose. And as we continue to diversify our energy sources, facilities like CBK help support renewable energy integration into the grid. Indeed, stable power keeps daily life on schedule. This gives essential services and industries reliability, and it gives families peace of mind. This is why we in government continue to strengthen the systems in our energy sector by improving policies, processes, and partnerships to ensure that energy reliability and affordability are sustained in the long term. I'm optimistic that both the CBK complex and our public-private partnership will help power a more secure, more stable, and more forward-looking future for the Filipino people.
Ang kagandahan dyan, yung binabalanse ng CBK, ang supply and demand ng kuryente. No? Lalong-lalo na, ang plano ng gobyerno ay mapalaki, di ba, ang renewable energy capacity bilang bahagi ng pangkalahatang supply ng kuryente sa bansa. Ito yung pinakauna at pinakamalaking pump hydro storage facility sa bansa. Kumbaga para siyang baterya. Diba? Kapag sobra ang kuryente, iimbakin natin ang enerhiya. At pag kailangan natin siya, maaari natin hugutin yan mula sa ating energy storage. So, lahat ng mga kasama natin sa industriya ng enerhiya ay nagtutulong-tulong upang palakihin ang renewable energy capacity ng bansa.